Hi everyone, I'm Siyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Understanding if you have been blocked can help clarify your connections and manage your interactions on the app. So, let's get started on how to know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app. Go to the chat section by swiping right from the camera screen or tapping the chat icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the search button. Tap on it. In the search bar, type in the username of the user you think may have blocked you. If the person you are looking for does not appear in the search results, it means that they have likely blocked you on Snapchat. And this is how you can know if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.